بسم الله الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. بسم الله الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. ربي أسرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري وأحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي.
In this lesson we will learn يضرب يسمع يعلم يعمل فعل مضارع incomplete tense which is not done or which is continue. فعل مضارع. So now you have to do it yourself. Use TPI with action. Yes, repeat it.
Hear it. See it.
Good.
Thinking.
MashaAllah.
Say it.
Yes.
And saw it.
Yes.
And loving.
MashaAllah.
Doing together.
Very good. Very good. So for revision, in the beginning, fi'al means, verb means fi'al.
Yeah, why?
Verb is fi'al. Fi'al, yes, tells us about an action. Fi'al verb. In Arabic language, most of verbs are made up of 3 letters, means root letters. Like say fa'ala.
Fa'ala.
With action. Fa'ala.
Fa'ala.
No, down level.
Okay.
Fa'ala.
Fa'ala.
No, right side but down level, not
okay.
this level.
Fa'ala.
Yes. Fataha.
Fataha.
Nasara.
Nasara.
Daraba.
Daraba.
This is fa'ala. Fataha. Nasara. Daraba. The patterns are very easy, mashallah. All these 4 patterns are very easy. Yes.
Fa'ala, fataha, nasara, daraba.
Let's move on. So, fi'al madi, fi'al is of 3 types. Madi, perfect tense, that which is done. Mudari, imperfect tense, that which is not done yet or being done or will be done. Amr, imperative. Now we are doing mudari, imperfect tense, that which is not done yet. So let's read. Nasara yansuru. Nasara, low level. Yansuru, the upper level. Nasara
yansuru.
Yes. Nasara, he helped.
Nasara, he helped.
Yansuru, he helps.
Yansuru, he helped.
Yes. So, yansuruna.
Yansuruna.
Tansuru.
Ansuru.
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 Tansuruna.
Tansuruna.
Nansuru.
Nansuru.
Yansuru, yansuruna.
Yansuru, yansuruna.
Tansuru, ansuru.
Tansuru, ansuru.
Tansuruna, nansuru.
Tansuruna, nansuru.
Yes. So khalaqa, he created. Yakhluqu, he creates. Yakhluqu.
Khalaqa, he created. Yakhluqu,
No.
they created.
Khalaqa, fi'l madi, low level. خلق,
Oh,
he
khala,
created. Yes.
khalaqa, he created.
يخلق, he
Y-
creates.
Yakhluqu, he create.
يخلقون,
Yakhluquna,
تخلق,
takhluqu,
أخلق,
akhluqu,
تخلقون,
takhluquna,
نخلق.
nakhluqu.
So يخلق, يخلقون,
Yakhluqu, yakhluquna,
تخلق, أخلق,
takhluqu, akhluqu.
تخلقون, نخلق.
Takhluquna, nakhluqu.
Yeah. Next, ذكر, ذكر فعل ماضي low level. ذكر, he remembered.
Jakara, he remember?
Yeah, he remembered. ذكر فعل ماضي, he remembered.
Jakara, he remember?
يذكر,
Yajukuru,
he remembers.
he remember?
يذكرون,
Yajukuruna,
تذكر,
tajukuru.
أذكر,
Ajukuru,
تذكرون.
tajukuruna,
No, no, no. تذكرون,
tajukuruna,
نذكر.
najukuru.
ما شاء الله. So تذكرون,
Tajukuruna,
نذكر.
najukuru. You all awesome.
Okay, عبد low level فعل ماضي. He worshipped.
Abada, he worship.
يعبد, he worships.
Ya'budu, he worship.
يعبد, he worships.
Ya'budu, he worship.
يعبدون, they worship.
Ya'buduna, they worship.
تعبد, you worship.
Ta'budu, you worship.
أعبد, I worship.
A'budu, I worship.
تعبدون, you all worship.
Ta'buduna, you all worship.
نعبد, we worship.
Na'budu, we worship.
يعبد, يعبدون.
Ya'budu, ya'buduna.
تعبد, أعبد.
Ta'budu, a'budu.
تعبدون, نعبد.
Ta'buduna, na'budu.
MashaAllah. Today's lesson, we have divided every lesson into small units for practice breaks. Alhamdulillah, for the first one, we will practice on فعل مضارع of these two verbs. ضرب, he hit. سمع, he listened. So ضرب, يضرب. يضرب means he hits. يضرب, he hits. يضربون.
Yadribu, yadribu, he hit.
Yes. يضربون.
Yadribuna, yadribuna, they hit.
تضرب.
Adribu, you hit.
أضرب.
Adribu, I hit.
تضربون.
Adribuna, you all hit.
نضرب.
Adribu, we hit.
Yes. So يضرب.
Adribu,
يضربون.
adribuna,
تضرب.
tajribu,
أضرب.
adribu,
تضربون.
tajribuna,
نضرب.
nadribu.
Good, mashallah. يضرب, يضربون.
Adribu, yadribuna,
تضرب, أضرب.
tadribu, adribu,
تضربون, نضرب.
tajribuna, nadribu.
Simple, I think. You got it?
Yeah, I get it.
So سمع, low level فعل ماضي. يسمع, he listens. يسمع, he
سمع.
listens.
Samia, yasma'u, he listening.
يسمعون,
Yasma'una,
they listen.
they listening.
تسمع.
Tasma'u, you listening.
أسمع.
Asma'u, I listening.
تسمعون.
Tasma'una, you all listening.
نسمع.
Nasma'u, we listening.
So يسمع, يسمعون.
يسمعوا يسمعون
تسمع أسمع.
تسمعوا أسمع
تسمعون نسمع.
تسمعون يسمع
نسمع.
تسمعون نسمع
يسمع يسمعون.
يسمعوا يسمعون
تسمع أسمع.
تسمعوا أسمع
تسمعون نسمع.
تسمعون نسمع
Yes. So يسمع يسمعون.
يسمعوا يسمعون
تسمع أسمع.
تسمعوا أسمع
تسمعون نسمع.
تسمعون نسمع
Let's go ahead. ماذا means what. ماذا means what.
ماذا what
Used
use
with the
what do
verbs. Used
you
with the
do
verbs.
use
ماذا يسمع. ماذا يسمع.
ماذا يسمع
What does he listen.
what does he listen
Yes. ماذا يسمع. What does he listen.
okay ماذا يسمع what does he listen
يسمع القرآن.
يسمع القرآن
He listens to the mushaf.
he listen to the mushaf
To the Quran. Quran or mushaf.
القرآن
Both of them
mushaf
are same. ماذا يسمعون.
ماذا يسمعون
What they listen.
what they listen
Maybe you can ask according to the grammar. What do they listen?
what do they listen
Yes.
ماذا يسمعون what do they
يسمعون
listen
القرآن.
يسمعون القرآن
They listen to Al-Quran. They listen to the Quran.
they listen to the Quran
MashaAllah.
ماذا يسمع
ماذا تسمع.
ماذا تسمع
What do you listen.
what do you listen
أسمع القرآن.
أسمع القرآن
I listen to the Quran.
I listen to the Quran
MashaAllah. ماذا تسمعون.
ماذا تسمعون
What do you all listen.
what do you all listen
نسمع القرآن.
نسمع القرآن
We all listen to the Quran.
we all listen to the Quran Hmm.
Okay, let's do again. فعل.
Allah
He did.
he did
يفعل. He does.
يفعل he does
فعل فعل ماضي low level.
Allah
فعل
he did
he did. يفعل he does.
يفعل he does
فعلوا they did.
فعلوا they did
يفعلون they do.
yes يفعلون they do
فعلت you did.
فعلت you did
تفعل no فعلت you did sorry فعلت you did.
فعلت you did
تفعل you do.
تفعل you do
فعلت I did.
فعلت I did
أفعل I do.
أفعل I do
فعلتم you all did.
فعلتم you all did
تفعلون you all do.
تفعلون you all do
فعلنا we did.
فعلنا we did
نفعل we do.
نفعل we do
Yes. So فعل يفعل.
فعل يفعل
فعلوا يفعلون.
فعلوا يفعلون
فعلت تفعل no فعلت تفعل.
فعلت تفعل
فعلت أفعل.
فعلت أفعل فعلتم
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 تفعلون
تفعلون
فعلنا
فعلنا
نفعل
نفعل.
ما شاء الله.
مم.
Let's repeat. يفعل يفعلون
يفعل يفعلون.
تفعل أفعل
مم.
تفعل أفعل
تفعل أفعل.
تفعلون نفعل.
تفعلون نفعل.
Four styles of verb. Four styles of verb like فتح يفتح افتح. Like فعل
فتح
فعل
فعل
يفعل.
فعل يفعل.
جعل
جعل
يجعل.
يجعل.
Okay. And the second one. نصر
نصر
ينصر.
نصر ينصر.
What is the difference between يفتح and ينصر? You just see and recognize. Try to recognize and let me know.
You say يفتح
Mhm.
ننصر.
No. This is
ينصر.
ينصر. ينصر.
يفتح ينصر.
Yes.
Only the sad,
صاد and any حركة?
the school.
This is not sukun. This is dhamma.
Ah, yeah, with the Dhamma.
Yes. So there is on third letter there is fatha and
Yes,
here
and Dhamma.
dhamma on the third letter. This is the
Mhm.
difference between incomplete tense.
Mhm.
Okay. Fataha,
Yes.
nasara are the same. Fataha, nasara are the same, but yaftahu, yansuru, difference of dhamma and fatha.
Mhm.
Perfect. And you got it?
يفتح ينصر. Yes.
Like
Only
khalaqa, yakhluqu, yadhkuru, ya'budu. So the all letters will come on this pattern. There will be dhamma on the third letter.
Mhm. خلق يخلق.
Now let's see. ضرب فعل ماضي and يضرب فعل مضارع. ضرب يضرب.
ضرب يضرب.
So غفر يغفر.
غفر يغفر.
So يغفر. Now let me know the difference between يغفر and يفتح. يفتح ينصر يغفر. What the difference between ينصر and يغفر?
ينصر.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. فتح يفتح نصر ضرب يضرب سميع سميع.
No, see this word and this letter.
Oh,
There is
يضرب.
kasra on under third
Oh, you
letter.
say يضرب.
Yes,
ضرب
يضرب and
يضرب.
يغفر.
Oh,
يغفر comes
يضرب.
on the pattern of يضرب.
Okay, يضرب يغفر.
Yes,
So only,
يضرب.
yeah, only the right with the fatah.
Yes, they're both dhamma in yansuru on third one, and in yaftahu fatha on third one, and yadribu kasra under third letter.
يغفر
And daraba, nasara, fataha, all are the same.
نصر ضرب.
Now let's take the fourth one. Sami'a yasma'u. Sami'a yasma'u. There is no difference if we talk about the third letter of fi'l mudari, but one difference in fi'l madi. Let's see. Fataha, fataha, nasara, daraba. All the fatha on every letter. Fataha,
Mm-hmm.
nasara, daraba. But in sami'a, there is kasra under second one. Sami'a, sami'a, sami'a.
Submit. Yeah.
And all the word will come on this pattern. There will be kasra under second one, like alima, alima,
Ali. Alima.
amila, amila.
Um, Amila.
You got it?
Yes, yeah, I understand.
So
Amila.
first three have difference in fi'l mudari, no difference in
Mm-hmm.
fi'l madi, and the fourth one has a difference in fi'l madi, not in fi'l mudari. Fi'l mudari is same or like similar to yaftahu, yaftahu,
Yaftahu.
yaftahu and yasma'u are the same, and yansuru, yadribu different, and fataha, nasara, daraba all fi'l madi are the same, and sami'a is different.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Fataha.
fataha.
Nada.
If you open the Quran, fataha. If you open the Quran, remember fataha, fataha,
Mm-hmm.
and nasara. Allah will help you. Allah will
Yeah.
help you. Allah will help you. Daraba. Otherwise, you will be hit.
Otherwise, you will be hit.
And sami'a. Therefore, listen.
Therefore, listen.
What
Daraba.
a good coincidence. What a good coincidence. If we take these four letters like Fataha, if you open the Quran, Nasara,
To
Allah
open
will help you.
it. Help
Daraba,
you.
otherwise you will be hit.
Otherwise, you'll be hit.
Sami'a, therefore listen.
Therefore, listen. Okay.
If you open the Quran,
Fataha.
Allah will help you. And if
Yeah.
you don't open the Quran, so like otherwise you will be hit.
You
So
will
what
hit.
to do now? Therefore listen.
Listen.
Listen to the Quran.
Fataha
Yes.
daraba. Fataha
Fataha,
nasara.
Nasara, Daraba,
Daraba.
Sami'a.
Samia. Anta samia.
Okay, so Alima, Amila. Alima means he knew, and Amila means he did. Alima, he knew, and Amila, he did. Okay, let's
Lima.
do it also. Let's do it
No.
also. Alima, Ya'lamu.
Alima ya alamu.
Ya'lamuna. Ya'lamu, he knows. He knows. Ya'lamuna,
Ya alamuna they know.
they know. Ta'lamu, you know.
Ta'alamu you know.
A'lamu, I know.
Alamu I know.
Ta'lamuna, you all know.
Ta'alamuna you all know.
Na'lamu, we know.
Na'alamu we know.
MashaAllah. So, ya'lamu, ya'lamuna.
Ya alamu. Ya alamuna. Ya alamu. Ya
No,
alamuna.
right hand, right side, right side. Upper level, right side, upper level.
Mhm.
Ta'lamu,
Ya'lamu.
a'lamu.
Ya alamu. Ya alamuna. Ta'alamu. A'lamu.
Ta'lamuna, na'lamu.
Ta'alamuna. Na'alam.
And this is ya'malu, ya'malu. He does, he does. Like,
Ya,
yeah, about
ya amalu he does.
yeah, amila, he did. And
Amila
ya'malu,
he
he
did.
does, he does.
Ya amalu he does.
Ya'maluna. That was ya'lamuna, and this is ya'maluna.
Ya amaluna
They
they do.
do. Ta'malu, you do.
Ta'amalu you do.
A'malu, I do.
Ta'amalu I do.
Ta'maluna, you all do.
Ta'amaluna you all do.
Na'malu, we do.
Na'amalu we do.
Learning tip, seventh homework, recite different surahs in your salah. Recite those surah which you understand. Some of us have the habit of reciting the same surahs again and again in our daily salah. For example, for two, قُلْ هُوَ اللَّهُ أَحَدٌ and إِنَّا أَعْطَيْنَاكَ الْكَوْثَرَ. Let's not do that. Recite different surahs, especially the ones you understand.
Mhm.
And this is in yellow color, so not easy to read it. And not was this one important very much. So mashallah, remember by the end of 14th lesson, we learn 174 words which occur in the Quran, almost 36,556 times, mashallah. Wow,
Mm.
556. May Allah
So
help us to
all this
recite.
is in my book. All this is in my book, huh?
Yes, all this in your grammar part, in your book, grammar part. So let's see at the end the dua words. May Allah help us to
May
recite,
Allah help. May Allah help
understand,
us to recite, understand,
ponder, implement,
ponder, implement,
propagate,
propagate,
and memorize
memorize the
the
Quran.
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 سبحانك اللهم
سبحانك اللهم
وبحمدك
وبحمدك
نشهد أن لا إله
نشهد أن لا إله
إلا
إلا
أنت
إلا أنت
نستغفرك
نستغفرك
ونتوب إليك.
ونتوب إليك.
آمين يا رب. Let's say it
آمين يا
again.
ربي.
آمين يا رب.
اللهم آمين.